welcome back to my channel. So in this class we'll discuss exercise 5.3 and we'll discuss question number 1. So there is 4 questions. We will discuss one by one. So in the previous class we discussed all the example of exercise 5.3. So let us revisit the concept. So what is AP series? A sequence where the common difference between consecutive terms is constant. This is called AP series. And what is common difference? A2 minus A1 means second term minus first term. This is the common difference. And nth term formula, that is we call NaN. So an equals to, you can write a plus n minus 1 into d. And sum of the first n terms Sn n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to solve the maths. So now question number 1. So the question is that find the sum of the following AP 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. So this is an AP and we have to find the sum of 10 terms of this AP. Okay. So the first term is what? 2. First term is what? 2. So this is the first term and common difference D is second term minus first term. That's why 5 is the common difference. Next, using formula is what? We will use Sn formula, sum formula, it is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we will find the sum of 10 terms, means n equals to what? 10. That is why we are going to find S10. So 10 by 2, n by 2 means 10 by 2, 2a, value of a is 2 plus n means 10 minus 1 into common difference 5, d. So 10 by 2 means 5 here. So 2 2s are 4 and 10 minus 1 9, 9 5s are 45. So 5 into 4 plus 5 49. So this is the answer for 245. Okay, this is the value of S10. Okay. Next question number 2. Find the sum of first 12 terms of the AP. So this is the AP. We have to find the S12. So first term is minus 37. Common difference D is second term minus 33 minus first term, that is minus 37. So this is the common difference and number of terms we have to find. 12 means n, value of n is 12. So Sn is what? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 to d. So this is common formula. So S12 we have to find 12 by 2, n by 2. 2 into a means minus 37, n minus 1 means 12 minus 1 into 4. So 12 by 2 means 6 and 2 into minus 37 minus 74 and 12 minus 1, 11 into 4, that is 44. So 6 into this one, if we calculate, we get minus 30. Then 6 into minus 30 is minus 180. So this is the answer. You can take a screenshot and you can make your notes properly. Next, question number 3. Find the sum of the 100 terms of the AP. So this is the AP. So 200 terms we have to find. So first term is 0.6 and common difference second term minus first term. This is second term minus 1.7 minus 0.6. This is 1.1. Using formula Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2, n value of n 100 by 2 and 2 into 0.6 plus n minus 1 into 1.1. So 100 by 2 is 50. 2 into 0.6, that is 1.2 and 100 minus 1 is 99, and whenever we multiply 99 into 1.1 we will get 108.9 and this is 50, and when we add 1.2 and 108.9 we will get this one, and when we multiply together we will get this one. So this is the answer here. Next, question number 4. So find the sum of the AP. This AP is given and we have to find 11 terms of this AP, sum of 11 terms. The solution, first term is 1 by 15 and common difference second term minus first term. This is second term and first term. So we'll get 1 by 60. So number of terms n 11 means value of n 11, and Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S11, that will be denoted like that. S11, S will be suffix, 11 will be suffix of x. S 11 by 2, 2 into first term 1 by 15 plus n minus 1 value of n 11 minus n minus 1 into d means 1 by 60. So 11 by 2, 2 into 1 by 15, that is 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. So then 11 by 2 and 2 by 15. So whenever we cancel out, we will get 1 by 6 here equals to 11 by 2. So addition of 2 by 15 and 1 by 6. So LCM is 30. So we'll get 4 by 5 by 30. That is 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. That is 33 by 2 is the answer here. So we discussed all the 4 maths of question number 1. So this is all about our class. So you can take a screenshot and you can make your notes properly. Okay. So thank you. Stay happy and stay learning.